Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about very important frequently asked geography questions. These are all most important questions, guys. Never omit this question. Okay, let's start the session. The first question is, name the world largest river. The world largest river is Amazon River. Second question, capital of Canada. The Canada capital is Ottawa. Third question, Mullai Periyar Dam located in which state? The answer is Kerala. Fourth question, which country is known as Land of Rising Sun? The Land of Rising Sun is Japan. Fifth question, name the coastal tract of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The answer is Coromandel. Sixth question, name the country which has largest coastline. In worldwide, the country name is Canada. In India, which has largest coastline? Do you know, guys? It is Gujarat. Seventh question, Nagarjuna Sagar is a multi-purpose Sagar dam situated in which state? Nagarjuna Sagar is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Eighth question, ozone layer is presented in which atmosphere? In stratosphere. It is a frequently asked question, guys. Make note. Ninth question, mushroom rocks are located in Thar Desert. And the Thar Desert situated in which state in India? Yes, Rajasthan. 10th question, which country is known as sugar bowl of India? In worldwide, the country is Cuba. In India, which is known as sugar bowl of India? Yes, we saw that question in previous video. State name is Uttar Pradesh. 11th question, Majuli river situated in which state? Do you know, guys? Majuli river was the largest island river in India and also worldwide. It is situated in Assam. Frequently asked question, guys. Make note. 12th question, instrument to measure wind velocity. Answer is anemometer. 13th question, major production of jute is West Bengal. 14th question, name the sea which has highest salinity. Answer, Dead Sea. 15th question, in Earth where day and night are equal. In this question, the place where day and night are equal. The answer is equator. 16th question, Kharif crop harvesting season India is? The season is September to October. 17th question, name the atmospheric layer which reflects radio waves. Answer, ionosphere. 18th question, capital of Japan. Answer, Tokyo. 19th question, Dudh Sagar is located in Uttar Pradesh. And the last question, guys, in India, Norcross Bioreserve located in which state? The answer is Meghalaya. It is a frequently asked question, guys. This question asked in various exams. Thank you all for watching my video. To get day by day notification, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon here. Thank you, guys.